Well, the calendar may say April, but it sure doesn't feel that way outside.
No, and we talk about this often. You know, it's not that unusual to have some cool periods,
right?
But it's usually followed by a warmer spot. This is pretty long lasting at this point.
Yeah, I saw snow flurries yesterday.
Yeah, and we're going to see quite a few more the rest of this week.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. We do not have warm weather for a while. At least maybe not until beyond my 7-day forecast. We're talking highs in the 30s. Tomorrow, we could even see some thunderstorms, but it will be surrounded by a little bit of snow to start and end it. It's a messy forecast.
Sounds messy.
Got a lot to talk about.
And busy.
Yeah, very busy. Well, let's start with temperatures today. The average high for today is about 52 degrees, maybe 51. And here we are only pushing 42 in Lansing for the high, low 40s across the board. And we're getting much cooler, of course, into those low 30s overnight. Local radar, at least, has been calm. We had some sunshine to start the day. Now the clouds are pretty much taking over. You see a little bit of snow out west over Lake Michigan. That's going to steer clear of us for at least a little while, but there's a bigger system brewing up. See that snow across the northern plains, moving into the western and northern Great Lakes. That's still a system kind of strengthening as we speak. It's going to be heading this way into tomorrow. Tomorrow is the real day of interest. I mean, here we go ahead of it. Winter weather. The purple color is a widespread winter weather advisory, but the pink, winter storm warning. Yeah, could see 6 to 10 inches in the northern lower underneath that pink category. And that does, however, the advisory include the northern edge of mid-Michigan, Clinton County, for instance. That's for late tonight through early tomorrow. For the most part, we'll be talking more rain, but here it is in the weather headlines. Rain or mix by late tonight. That could include a little bit of some snow north with minor accumulation, but still that could result in some slippery roads, especially if it's a little bit slushy or if there's some icy spots. But rainy Tuesday. Most of Tuesday is a rainy forecast with even this, some thunderstorms. We haven't heard many of those yet this season yet, have we? So a quick glance through our future track. There's quite a few things to notice. First off, for the rest of our evening, maybe a slim chance for some rainfall as it's still well above freezing. I'm expecting a drier evening, but there's a chance a few showers could be moving through. Most precipitation comes in well after midnight. And here's into the night. You see kind of scattered, but there's a little bit of blue mixed in, a little bit of pink mixed in. It's going to be kind of shifting around those near freezing or just above freezing temperatures. And we all know what that's like. A couple degrees can make a big difference versus snow versus mix versus rain. That's late tonight through early Tuesday morning. That could include your morning commute. Here's 9 a.m. Could still see some pink or blue, part of that radar. But by into the afternoon, it should be all rain. In fact, look at this. Here's 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the end of your school day, end of your work day. Could see some heavy rains. And yeah, even a chance for a few thunderstorms in the mix. That should continue through a lot of the evening. By late Tuesday night, those temperatures drop again. The system passes, and we could see some widespread light snowfall into early Wednesday. Accumulation, not a big concern. It should melt pretty quickly, but still a little bit on the wintry side of things. 32 your overnight low, late rainfall with some mix in there. And into tomorrow, 40 or so for an afternoon high, a little warmer south, a little bit cooler north, could see a big difference. Morning mix, but then it's rain and storms the rest of the day. Into the 7-day forecast, a lot of ups and downs here. Low 40s and into the mid 30s by Wednesday. Wednesday will be cold. Watch out for that mix or rain tomorrow. More mix at night, and then Wednesday morning could be snowy. And then the chance for snow Thursday, more light snow or mix Friday. I mean, this is a very wintry kind of a forecast. Messy conditions on the way, but sticking snowfall, not a big deal. It won't last.
That's the one silver lining, I think, of the whole thing.
Yeah.
All right, Dustin, thank you.